So I'm here in one of the oldest market, Hat Bazaar, which is known as Matigada Hat. This is one of the oldest and one of the largest market in the region, where a lot of people from the hills, Kalimpong, Darjeeling, Sikkim, and even some people from Bhutan and Nepal come here. So you can see this is none other than Matigada Hat. A lot of meat. So many different products you can get over here. This is one of the oldest market place where you'll get cooked meat, local alcohols. This morning when I was reading article about Matigada local hat, I came to know at one time people used to sell elephants, horses and different types of animals in this local market. But right now we don't get elephants and horses, but we'll get every possible items over here, from local vegetables to meats. People come over here to do shopping. Not only do shopping, but people come here to sell their farm products also. And so many local people come here to do the business. And I saw one sister over there whom I knew since PhD. So as I was coming across this once very famous hat, I met one of my sister. We did the PhD together, and she has a startup here. The shop name is Curve Designs Apparel, and she'll get many clothes over here also. Fish nets. While I was walking, I met one sister. We did PhD together. This is a market, you can get everything whatever you want, so you can just see.
क्या जाता है क्या साथ में lihat gini nih kubetis ya man. 10 rupiah kena? 10 rupiah kena. 10 rupiah kena. Kita lo, berapa leo?
হ্যাঁ এমনি 125 টাকা কম দিছে হ্যাঁ ওইদিকে দিছে এইটা তো সস্তা वाला
किलो का 650
बोले पंप प्लेसर वाला पंप साइकिल का पंप बाइक का पंप इधर को ही बना लो दादा इधर को माल की ही बना लो दीदी
कितना रुपया है भाई
150
150 का ठीक है बना दिया आप आएगा चैनल में ठीक है
चैनल बता दीजिए कौन सा है
आदित्य जी भाई
सरकारी भगवान
200 अरे 200 आपसे बड़ा लेंगे
जाओ जोड़ी के 100 छुड़ा दूटा के 100 700 छुड़ा
पाइप पूरे वो
Dia tak favorite.
You can see 360, view. There are a lot of clothes. The price is very cheap, and you can see how people are rushing to buy the goods. And just see, how big it is.
No, लेने भैया देसी
अरे 200 में जैकेट जंपर
Everything comes with a price. You can find a lot of clothes over here, but there are a lot of dust. So that is why I'm wearing mask over here. Everything comes with a cost. So it's a very competitive market. You can see a lot of people searching the clothes. In a very best affordable prices. The only problem in this market is dust. So I have to wear the mask.
খাবার ছেড়ে দিবি আর গাড়ি গান যাও অতি দেখি খাবার ছেড়ে দিচ্ছি
हेलो
जोड़ी को 300
के बना था केही भन न के नाम तिम्रो
भावली
भाबिन
भावली
भावेल नाम
भावली
बाहुबली हो नाम हिंदी समझता है नेपाली नेपाली भी समझता है बाहुबली है ना गाड़ी आ रहा है So finally we have come to the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed the tour of Matigara Hut. The best thing about this place is you can see that man is sleeping, you know, he's resting. So the best thing is they sell the, you know, pork meat, chicken meat, and you know, goat meat, different types of meats they sell. And at the same time what they do is they cook also. They cook the meat, and you know, they sell the meat curry also. At the same time they sell the curry, you know, curry, and they sell the alcohol, you know, local alcohol also. And when we come here we get the flavor of the old Siliguri, where a lot of tribe people, you know, people from the hills used to come here and enjoy the beauty of this unorganized market. So today also I felt very relaxed. I hardly come to this place, but since I had some work and I had to come here with my wife also, so I thought of documenting the beautiful part of this Matigara. And now you can see that a lot of urbanization is going on just near the, you know, old Matigara hut or market. You can see a lot of urbanization is going on, and Asian Highway 2 runs from the heart of this Matigara. So with this I've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and Happy New Year to all of you. May 2025 bring a lot of prosperity, happiness, health, wealth, everything. So thank you for watching this vlog till the end. I'll meet you in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye.